Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I want to be showing you how to enhance photos using Remini. Okay, so to enhance photos basically means giving the photo a good quality, better than the old photos. Okay, so basically I'm going to be showing you how to enhance photos that have faded or that are absolutely old. Okay, so tap to photos there. Now I'm going to select the photo I'm going to enhance. So I'll look for a photo. I'll select this one here. So I select, then I tick there. Right. Alright, so right now I'm uploading this photo. So after uploading it, I'll just come and tap on enhance over here. Okay, so basically you need to make sure that your internet connection is on. Alright, so I'll just turn on my internet connection like that. Alright, so when I'm done turning on my internet connection, so let me load this photo again. Okay, so Remini works online, so you need to make sure your internet is good and fast. Alright, so after that I'll tap on enhance. So it's basically uploading, as you can see. So I need to be patient because this enhancement takes a few seconds, as you can see from this message. Alright, so let's be patient and let's wait for it to finish loading. Alright guys, so boom, as you can see we have finished enhancing, and if I scroll this side like this, you can see how it looks like after enhancement and before, how it was before enhancement. Okay, so this is how it looks like after enhancement. As you can see, its quality is very good right now, but at this point it was very old and it had faded. Okay, so that's how Remini is used to enhance your photos. And thank you for watching guys. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and we shall meet in the next video. So when you're done enhancing, you can come and download it from here, then you save it to your gallery. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. We shall meet again.